Today I'm going to show you how you can change a car's air filter or clean a car's air filter. First of all, open the hood. Secure the hood. Now next, locate the car's air filter. It's right here. Locate its mounting bolts or screws. In this case it's screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Remove that. Undo the screw using a screwdriver. After removing the screws, lift the top cover off and just hold it. After that, remove your air filter. This is your air filter. You can blow some compressed air into the air filter to remove the dust if it has any. As you can see, this is a new air filter, so I don't need to do the cleaning by compressed air. If you need to replace it, just grab a new one and place it onto the air filter box. If the air filter box has any dust in it, you can just clean it, but mine's clean, so I don't have to. Just place the air filter in, place the top cover in, make sure that the screw is well placed, and then just screw it down using a screwdriver. The tightening of screws is just as the reverse of removal. Just tighten it down, as you can see, in a crisscross pattern so that the plastic won't get loaded up wrongly. That's how you install or clean an air filter in a Polo or in just as any other car. Just open the lid up, install the new air filter, just close it up. That's it. If it has any dirt inside, just clean it up. Thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe, share.